1 to 3 up. Ladies and gentlemen, please come up, please. Up. Start the new year. Xin Chao Yu. I invite you to come out to the garden with me today to make a meal. What do you have here? Oh, there's a Vega tree here. We're going to make Vega today. Let me pick it up and bring it into this house. I just brought it into the house. But that current plug is not visible up. I can't eat you guys. The source is measured for you. This 1/8 dot. This 1 volt. This GPU source. Not 7 or 6, but right now I don't accept cards. Now we're going to have to go grill it. Now we're going to turn on the stove. Select this appropriate level. Mix 300 degrees and wait for 9. It's almost 9, guys. You go in what's in the house. Is it done? Once we've picked it up, we'll start processing again. Do again. This leg. We make legs 4. Let's cook this Vega a little bit again. Here, mark it here. Here's to this chip. Mill it. Put some grease on. Done, start. After a while, it will be as smooth as this. If you continue, you will come to rub this one. Scrub this chip. If we want to scrub this chip, we have to have one. It's called a wok. Put the chip here. Start scrubbing this. Apply grease to prepare. After making its feet flat, apply it to prepare it. Stir fried. That's right. Then take out all the balls and pick them up. It's missing one or two. Put it back, guys. Please tell me your feet are beautiful. Wait for me 100 or 60 degrees to start. Put your feet in. It's 160 degrees and we're starting the warehouse. This millet and the other leg turn off the camera. Do this note. Take this out now and let it cool. The legs are done and then start greasing and get ready for the kitchen. It smells good. And so is the face of that chip. How to play Lotus. Learn and gain experience. I just used a perfume. I wiped the letter off the chip. It's just this one. Let the kitchen turn on this 200 waiting for 9. Ready to cook. Now that it's 9, we just need a light kick. Let him eat all his limbs together. To begin with, you can see it's not turned off. After letting it cool, start to plug into this. I don't know if it's up, folks, bless me. I'm cooking today. It's called since morning. Come on. I'm tired, guys. 1 to 3 up. Grandparents, I bow down to you. Up. Start to close. And the next page, guys. I didn't see it cleaned. Clean it up. It looks good, but you can't detect it. Zin. This one must be sold to a customer with a 5-year warranty. It's good. It's marked in red.